Hi everyone, I'm Teresa the teacher. This beautiful cat's name is Remus, and today Remus and I are doing a bit of an unboxing video, aren't we, Remus? Because a class called KG4D has given me some gifts. They have just passed the Maturita exam, which is a big exam. Today it was the speaking part, and they brought me this. And it's not a bribe, it's a gift for their teacher of 2 years. And look at what they've given me. They've given me some beautiful food for Remus. As you can see, Remus is very interested. He likes the box. Of course he does. Cats love boxes, don't they? And I think he smells the food. I have some dry food. Beautiful. I've got some lovely wet food. I've got some fish. Oh my god, that looks amazing. This cat is eating better than myself, honestly. He eats better food than me. I don't want to eat this, but it looks tasty. Look, pâtés or something. Lovely. And he's even got these dried shrimps. Look at that. That's amazing. Shrimps. Right now he's eating normal cat food. What should I give him? Maybe one of these. I'm going to give him that. Well, he's licking it, so I think he really likes it. Put it all here. What kind of flavor is it? Tender tuna with mackerel in a tasty jelly. So it's fish and jelly. Loves it. He's eating it and he's loving it. So as you can see, my cat is a very happy cat today because he got a lot of food. He's got plenty of lovely high quality food now. So I just wanted to say thank you to the students, and I wanted to say thank you in Remus's name or instead of him, because he can't speak because he's a cat. So yeah, thanks a lot. Remus really seems to enjoy the food. And yeah, that's it. For more English videos, you can look at the other ones. This was mostly a video about my cat, but in English. All right, see you soon.